Hi my dear children, in this video we are going to see chapter 3 Science and Technology from MTG workbook of Class 6 International General Knowledge Olympiad. First one. In 1774, a British clergyman named Joseph Priestley conducted an experiment in which he focused sun rays on a tube containing mercuric oxide. This produced a gas which he noticed made candles burn brighter, thus discovering a gas which is very essence of life. Which gas was it? Okay, so the gas was oxygen. Okay, the gas was oxygen. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Second one. When an egg is boiled, the liquid part solidifies. This is an example of, so the liquid part solidifies, so its chemical properties changes. Okay, so it is an chemical change. Option B is the correct answer. Chemical change, it is irreversible. Okay, so option B. Third one, water boils at a lower temperature on the hills because, so water boils at a lower temperature on the hills because there is less air pressure on the hills. Okay, so the hills are at higher altitude and there is less air pressure on the hills. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D. Fourth one. What is the term given to matter in the middle layer of the earth which is liquid and hot and escapes through cracks in the surface? So the term given to matter in the middle layer of the earth which is liquid and hot and escapes through cracks in the surface is magma. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Fifth one. By putting the Mars Orbiter mission MOM in orbit around Mars, India's ISRO became the fourth space agency to reach Mars after the Soviet space program NASA and European Space Agency. What is the orbiter commonly known as? Okay, so the orbiter is commonly known as Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan means Mars. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D. Sixth one. The sun emits tiny electrical particles in all directions during solar flares. When they fall at the Earth's north and south poles, they look like glowing ribbons of light, which may be green, red or blue in color. What are these called? Okay, so option A, Aurora borealis, B, spectrum no, C, Aurora australis. Okay, so option D, both A and C is the correct answer. Okay, both A and C. Seventh one. Dry ice is used primarily as a cooling agent. It is cooler than the usual ice made from frozen water and it does not leave any residue. What is its chemical composition? So its chemical composition is carbon dioxide. Okay, so dry ice is nothing but it is carbon dioxide. So option B is the correct answer. Eighth one. The first successful nuclear test was conducted by India under the code name of Operation Smiling Buddha in the year 1974. Where was it conducted? Okay, so the Operation Smiling Buddha was conducted at Pokhran, Rajasthan. Okay, Pokhran, Rajasthan. So option B is the correct answer. Ninth one. Whooping cough is caused by dash. So whooping cough is caused by bacteria. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. 10th one. What does the new star, a space-based X-ray telescope, study? Option A, stars, B, comets, C, asteroids, D, black holes. So the new star, a space-based X-ray telescope, studies about the dynamics of black holes and the most extreme active galaxies. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. 11th one. Sportsmen use shoes with spikes because these increase the traction between the shoes and the ground. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. It increases the traction between the shoes and the ground. So they are using shoes with spikes. 12th one, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a versatile compound. Which of the following represents the chemical property of baking soda? So option A, bubbles up when mixed with vinegar. Yes. B, allows dough to rise while baking. Yes. C, neutralizes odors. Yes. So option D. So A, B, C all are correct. So option D, all of this is the correct answer. Okay. Option D, all of these. 13th, look at the given picture. Which of the following best classifies the type of rock shown in the picture? So please pause the video and please try to find the type of rocks. So we can find layers of sediments. Okay. So the rock shown in the picture is sedimentary rock. Okay. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Option B. Next one. What kind of waves are used in sonography? Okay, option A, sound waves, B, radio waves, C, light waves, D, infrared waves. So the kind of waves used in sonography is sound waves. Okay, so it uses sound waves to make pictures of organs, tissues and other structures inside our body. So option A, sound waves. Next one, who proposed the law of electrolysis? Okay, who proposed the laws of electrolysis? We all know it is Michael Faraday. Option A is the correct answer. Michael Faraday. Next one, he was a naturalist and geologist best known for his contribution to the science of evolution. He wrote the book on the origin of species. Who is he? He is Charles Darwin. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B, Charles Darwin. 17th, he was an English physicist whose most notable achievements were in the precise measurement of time and the determination of speed of light. He was the first to determine the speed of light using a laboratory apparatus. Identify him. He is Louis Essen. Okay, Louis Essen. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. Next one. A weather map shows information about atmospheric pressure and weather fronts. Which type of earth scientist works on developing and interpreting weather maps? We all know that is meteorologist. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Next one, select the incorrect match. So we need to select the incorrect match. So option A, father of virology, Martinus Beijering, it is the correct match. B, father of botany, Theophrastus, it is also correct match. C, father of astronomy, Gregor Mendel, it is incorrect match. So father of astronomy is Galileo Galilei. Okay, father of astronomy is Galileo Galilei. So it is the incorrect match. D, father of mathematics, Archimedes, it is also correct match. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Next one, identify the correct statement regarding 1, 2 and 3. 1, astronomical unit. So we know astronomical unit is the average distance between earth and the sun. Okay, it is the average distance between earth and the sun. 2, parsec, it is a unit to describe distance between stars and galaxies. Okay. 3, light year, it is the distance travelled by the light in 1 year with a velocity of 3 into 108 meter per second. So option A, 1 is used to express age of a star. It is the incorrect statement. 2, it refers to the distance from the sun to earth orbit. It is also incorrect statement. C, 3 refers to the distance travelled by light in 1 second. It is incorrect. It refers to distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay. So all the statement are incorrect. So option D, none of these. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. Next one. Articles made from metal X develop a flaky reddish brown color on exposure to moist air. Okay. So metal X develop a flaky reddish brown color on exposure to moist air. So we know X is iron. While articles made from metal Y develop a greenish layer on exposure to moisture. So we know Y is copper. Okay. So identify metals X and Y or respectively. So we know X is iron and then Y is copper. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Last one. Look at the given picture showing 4 forces P, Q, R and S of a flight. What does P, Q, R and S stands for? So please pause the video and try to find P, Q, R and S. Okay. So we know R is the weight. Okay. R is the weight. So yes, option D is the correct answer. Okay. So R is the weight. It is the force of gravity which acts in the downward direction. Okay. So R is weight. And then P is the lift. It is the lift force. So lift force is the force that acts at a right angle to the direction of motion through air, and it is created by difference in air pressure. Okay. Next, S is drag. S is drag. So drag is the force that acts opposite to the direction of motion. It is caused by friction and differences in air pressure. Okay, so S is drag and then P is lift and then Q is the thrust. Okay, Q is the thrust. It is the force that propels a flying machine in the direction of motion. So thrust is produced by engine. Okay. So P is lift, Q is thrust, R is weight and then S is drag. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you my dear children for watching this video. In our next video we are going to see chapter 4 universe. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any query, please mail me at easylearnfunnylearn@gmail.com. Thank you.